today we are going to be replacing this HVAC control unit. As you can see, something is broken behind this thing here. When you try to tune it, you gotta first try to fish it out and turn the knob, which is very inconveniencing. So we are going to attempt to change the knob, the system. I got a new one here from a donor vehicle. All the controls, as you can see, is all the same with the ones here. So we verify that it's a manual system. It got every buttons you need. It goes behind this like that. So this is the new one. Hopefully the tabs that is bolted here has not broke. So first of all, we need a couple of trim tools. Need one of these pry up tool. I got a plastic one to avoid, scratching off the dash. You got a little pointy pin here that helps out in tight spot, especially when you're trying to pull it up. Sometimes it's difficult using this tool, so you need a little bit of assistance. So first of all, the way we do this is my first time doing it as well, so figuring it out as I go. So first of all, I'm gonna use this here. I believe I have to remove these vents, because from the old one that I got, as you can see, there's a little groove here on this part that this latches on top. So that tells me this needs to come out first. So do first try and pry it up with the needle, and then put the actual trim tool, and I'm gonna try and walk around it very gently. These clips can be a bit stubborn, and that's how people end up breaking them, because they don't always come out easy for you. Okay, we have the right side vent out. Now we're gonna take the left side vent, driver side vent out again. And it comes out. You would think it's bolted down, but just clips. All right, so we got the vents out. I want to show you guys where the bolt holding this thing is located. You can see it has 2 Phillips screwdrivers. Screws here. I got 2 here and 2 on this side. And so far that's on all I can see. So once we remove that, it has a little tab under here. If you can see it, it has a little tab here where you can pull up on it through here. And it's another one on this side. You can put your tool right there to pry it up. That's where the clip's going to be at. So that you take this tool off and then you pry it off from the bottom. So let's attempt to do that. Like I said, this is my first time doing this as well. So I will do with you guys. Yeah, you guys learn from me. No, don't bother this. It's not part of the plan. Okay. Well, if you had to change this, now you know. You need to remove the radio first, and then there's two clips. One down here and one up there. All right. Okay, now we unplug the hazard light switch and unplug the, I don't have to, but I want to do this in that way everybody can kind of see what's going on here. All right. Okay, shoot. Took my eye and everything out. Okay. This is what we got going on. This thing has separated from its housing. You can see the front right there, still attached to the bezel, but it has came apart right there. So that's why when we push our button in, it's pulling in and out. So I'm guessing the tabs must have been broken. So let's unplug it. Put that on the floor. And then we're going to remove the old bezel. What's remaining of it. See if we can put the new one on. New module. All right, so now we want to test, make sure it works before we bolt everything together. Good. All our AC controlling. Yeah, we don't need the radio right now. Okay. AC buttons are working. Temperature. Okay. Temperature gauge is working. And Okay, mode, everything is working. Button is working. Rear defroster, recirculation. Bring it back to AC because it's hot. So looks like everything is working okay. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in, shut it off, plug in the radio. We'll shut it off first. Turn this off. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug in the radio and put everything back together the way you removed it. So if you have been watching this to this point, that means you should know how to be able to put this system all back together, put the bolt in and everything. So that's how you know do this job. So we're gonna put it all together, and I will come back and show how everything is situated now. Okay, thank you. Verify our work. Control, everything is now good and working on point. You know, so everything is back together the way it's supposed to be. So that is how you change either your radio, your control down here, or you're trying to change your I guess the clock and also the indicator up here. So it's gonna be the same thing. You're going to have to remove this panel to change this, change the radio or the AC control system. So, you know, so all of it is gonna be the same if you want to do anything in this front center stack. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep making awesome videos like this. All right, thank you.